Want to capture and record your screen effortlessly? Download the Shakebug extension now from the Chrome Web Store. Simply type Shakebug in the search bar, click Add to Chrome, and install it in seconds. Once installed, click on the Shakebug extension in the top bar menu. Here, you'll find two main options, Screenshot and Screen Record. To capture a screenshot of your current screen, click Visible Screen. Use the built-in annotation tools to highlight important areas with different features. Once done, click Download, and your screenshot is ready. Now, if you want to record your screen, click Screen Record and choose your preferred option, Current tab or Entire screen. Here, I'm selecting Current tab. Recording starts instantly. Once you're done, click Stop, and your recording is saved. Shakebug also lets you capture screenshots with a predefined delay of 3 or 5 seconds, so you can set it up according to your needs. That's how easy it is to use Shakebug. Install it today and enhance your screen capturing experience.